Hi, I'm Marna, and in May, in our craft video, which I do once a month for beginner crafters, we're going to be making this mermaid outfit. So we're having a mermaid party. She's going to be involved in the crafts, and I had an extra Barbie outfit, so we're having a little mermaid party. All we need is water. So when I was in the dollar store, and I saw this little mermaid with mermaids on my mind, I thought, oh, let's take a shot. Let's see how cute she'd look at our little mermaid party. $1, you get her. Came in all kinds of colors, blues and pinks, and this is the purple. And has a little brush. And check this out, a little fish. Does it float? I don't know. But it was $1, and I thought it was cute, and I wanted to see, could she sit poolside? Well, kind of funny, but she can, I suppose. She's got okay hair, not great, but, you know, to sit her, let's see something. What if no, she's not gonna sit so well, but still, a cute little $1 toy found at the Dollar Tree. Choose your color. Thank you for watching. Always check those Dollar Trees and Dollar General. I found the cutest stuff in there, and $1. Please leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment.